As usual, we start this test with both the phones in airplane mode connected to the same Wi-Fi network and no apps running in the background. We put the cases on the phones to prevent them from sliding across the frame, as we all know how it can get slippery. The Mi 8 and OnePlus 6 are both really fast to start off, but the Mi 8 is the first to launch games, while the OnePlus 6 is right behind. Both the phones are powered by a Snapdragon 845 octa-core chipset from Qualcomm, but the OnePlus 6 has 8GB of RAM while the Mi 8 is available only with 6GB of RAM. There's a special Mi 8 Explorer edition with 8GB of RAM, but that's very rare. OnePlus also has a 6GB variant, but this is the one that we have at our disposal. So keep in mind that it may cause a bit of a handicap for the Mi 8 as a result. Despite being the second to start the games, the OnePlus 6 is the first to finish them and starts loading the last apps before the Mi 8. The OnePlus 6 gets the lead and finishes lap 1 first with the time of 1 minute and 36 seconds, while the Mi 8 finishes in 1 minute and 45 seconds. The second lap is where we test the RAM management as well as the ability to redraw apps from memory. We reopen the apps in reverse order to test it out, and the OnePlus 6 blitzes through the second lap and finishes with a total time of 2 minutes, while the Mi 8 is done loading Minion Rush. Not too far behind, but unfortunately from here, Mario Run and most other apps require reloading, and hence it affects the final time of the Mi 8, which finished the speed test in 2 minutes and 22 seconds. That's a 22-second gap, which is due to a lesser amount of RAM and even inferior RAM management. The MIUI skin also seems to be dragging the Mi 8 a bit considering the 9-second gap in the first lap. However, the Mi 8 could further be optimized over time, but currently the OnePlus 6 is still faster. While these tests showed the true power of the phones in day-to-day lives, the phones won't be tested as much and may not be that much different in terms of speed. Thanks for watching this video, see you again in the next one.